Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, especially new subscribers. Welcome to my anyway, welcome to my channel, new subscribers. Please hit that bell button to make it ring. Today, I'm going to do the smoke Jack burger. It's brand new from Jack in the Box. Here it is. You got the old what you call it there. Let me position myself better here. I'm sorry. I'm cattywampus today. Okay, there it is. Here it is. This is what's inside the burger. I don't like the artisan lettuce they give you in this. Or tomatoes on my darn burger. There it is. The smoke bacon cheeseburger from Jack in the Box. Jacques in the Box. All right. Taste testing this right now. I'll let you know what I think of this thing. It's not at all Jack in the Boxes, by the way. Only a select Jack in the Box. Okay. Burger going in. I can smell the smoke from it. I can taste a little smoke from it. I have plenty of bacon on it. Well, I need a drink after that. Gotta take my pills. Sorry about that. Take them every day. I have to, doctor's orders. All right. There it is. You can see it better that way. Yeah. Let me see if I can adjust the light here. Sorry, guys. Should be toned down a bit. I do believe. There. I think you can see me better. Here it is again. Maybe I should open the door. Hold on. Sorry about this, man. I'm going through the drill here. There we go. It's a lot better now. A little bit of light. There. Brought in the light there. Now look at this burger. Melted cheese. Bacon on there. It's like a pizza pie. It's not. It's this smoke burger. I hope everyone's having a fantastic, terrific Tuesday, like I am. I was going to call some IRS numbers, fake IRS numbers today, but I'll do that tomorrow. Weather permitting. No, just joking. Even curly fries. It's awesome. $4.99 for this. Oh, and you get a drink. I like this burger because they put a lot of bacon on here. And the smoke flavor, I just got some. So yeah, this is a good burger. I guess I need to do the rating now. Thank you for bearing with me on this. Okay. My rating on this smoked cheese bacon burger from Jack in the Box. Da 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 da, drum roll. Da 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 da. Here it is. I gave it a 8.9 from a 0 to 10 scale. And a 1 to 100, a 0 to 100 scale, I give it a 90. I like it. I highly recommend you get it. My sister-in-law didn't like the chicken one or the burger one that much. She didn't say it was that great. Like I'm saying it's great. It's going to be my go-to. This is just a promotion and they'll be taking it off. But yes, get this burger because I like the melted cheese that they provided in here. And the bacon is delicious on this. So yeah, check it out. Tell me what you think down below in the comments. Also down below in the comments, comment on what you think I should be doing for this channel. Let me know. Let me know if you want me to do more of these reviews of taste testing. It's good. I like it. I gotta have it again. So yeah. It's a good burger. I recommend it. Go out in the Jack in the Box and go get it. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Thanks again for the new subscribers that have come in. Don't forget to ring that bell. Ring and ring it good. And also like and subscribe. And all kind of things like that. Oh, also share it down below. Share it to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram crackers. Oh, no. Okay. Don't do that. Share it with your dog and cat, as I've always told you before. The dog definitely will eat this burger. Cat, not so much. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. I love you all. Take care. And we'll see you on the fake IRS scammers. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Have a nice, terrific Tuesday.